If the thought of setting up Google Analytics on your WordPress site seems a bit intimidating, well, don't worry. We're going to show you step by step how easy it is to sign up for Google Analytics and then add it to your WordPress site. If you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button and visit all the links that we've included in the description below. So let's jump right in. Using Google Analytics, you'll get easy to understand statistics about your site, like the number of people who visit your site. You'll get real-time website traffic information, track user engagement, discover where your visitors are coming from, find out what content is the most popular on your site, be able to do A/B testing to see what creates the most engagement, and a lot more. So to get started, you'll need to sign up for a Google Analytics account. So you'll need to go to the Google Analytics website and click the Sign into Analytics link or Start for Free button in the top right corner of the page. Next, you can log into your existing Google account. If you don't have a Google account, just click the Create Account link to create a new one. Now, once you've signed into your Google account, you'll need to sign up for Google Analytics. So click the Sign Up button at the right side of the page to get started. Next, you'll need to enter the settings for the site that you want to start tracking. Now, we'll need to enter the details for the account. So create an account name. Then scroll down a little and adjust your data sharing settings. So we'll just leave all of these checked. Then you'll need to click Next. On this next page, you'll want to make sure that you select the web option at the top. Then scroll down and click Next at the bottom of the page. Now we're going to fill in the information about your site. So in the first field, you'll need to type in the name of your site. For our demonstration, we're going to use Start.WP site for our site name. Of course, you'll type in the name of your own site here. Next, type in your site's address. So, since we're using a secure address, we'll use the drop-down and select HTTPS and then type in the remainder of our URL. Now we'll come to the industry category drop-down menu, so just select the type of website that you're operating. Since this is only a demonstration, we'll just use Other. All right, in the next section, choose the country that you live in and your time zone. So we'll select United States, and then because we're on the East Coast, we'll choose New York for the time zone, and then click Create. On the next page, you'll need to review and place a check in both the boxes and click the I accept button. On the next page, you'll see your tracking ID and code snippets. Now that you've signed up for your Google Analytics account, we're going to show you how to add it to your WordPress site. There are 4 ways that you can add Google Analytics to your WordPress site, but there's only one that we recommend, and you'll understand exactly why in just a moment. First, we'll look at using MonsterInsights to add Google Analytics to your site. It's by far the easiest method and the only one that we recommend. That's because using the other methods, you'll run the risk of making a coding mistake and skew your analytics results, which can affect your marketing decisions and ultimately impact your bottom line. Now, if you'd like to give MonsterInsights a test drive, there's a free light version available with limited features in the WordPress repository. However, if you'd like to take advantage of the plugin's powerful features like e-commerce tracking, ads tracking, events tracking, author tracking, and more, then you can easily upgrade to MonsterInsights Pro. We'll leave a link in the description so you can check that out. So first, you'll need to log into your WordPress site and hover your mouse over plugins on the left sidebar. Then click on Add New. Next, you'll need to type MonsterInsights into the search bar and click on Install Now, and then click Activate. Now click the Launch the Wizard button and wait for the settings to load. Now, once everything is loaded, you'll see a Welcome to MonsterInsights message. Just beneath that, you'll notice 3 selections: Business Website, Publisher, and E-commerce. Be sure to select the right category here so MonsterInsights can recommend the optimal settings for your site so you get the most out of this fantastic plugin. Once you've selected a category that best describes your site, just click Save and Continue. On the next screen, if you're a pro user, you'll need to enter your license key to connect MonsterInsights to your website. But since we're using MonsterInsights Lite, then we'll just continue with the setup. After that, you'll see an option to connect Google Analytics with your MonsterInsights account. So all you have to do is just select your account. All right, now you'll need to allow MonsterInsights to access your Google Analytics account, so click Allow. Then click on Complete Connection button. After the activation process finishes, you'll see a new menu item called Insights on your admin sidebar. Clicking on that is going to give you access to your reports and insights. Now you've successfully added Google Analytics to your WordPress site with MonsterInsights. Super simple, no coding to mess with. You'll see your analytics data right on your dashboard and lots more. All right, now we're going to look at how to add Google Analytics by adding a code to the header of your site using the Insert Headers and Footers plugin. First, you'll need to download the plugin from the WordPress repository by going to your WordPress admin sidebar and then hovering your mouse over Plugins and then clicking on Add New. Next, you'll need to type in Insert Headers and Footers in the search bar. Then just install and activate the plugin. Now, to find your Google Analytics tracking code, you'll need to log into your Google Analytics account. Then at the lower left corner of the screen, click on Admin. Next, you'll need to click on Tracking Info in the middle column. Now click on Tracking Code, and on the next screen, you'll need to copy your code. Now, once you're back on your WordPress site and on your admin sidebar, you'll need to go to Settings and then click on Insert Headers and Footers. Now you'll need to paste the Google Analytics tracking code into the plugin settings and then click Save. Just remember, you won't be able to do advanced tracking configurations with this method, and you won't be able to view Google Analytics data on your dashboard like you can with MonsterInsights. So to see your statistics, you're going to have to go to Google Analytics and log in every time. Now we'll show you how to add Google Analytics without a plugin, and that's a little bit more complex. First, you'll need to go to your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Appearance. Now click on Theme Editor. Next, you'll need to find and open your theme's Header.Php file and place the code right after the body tag like this. Once you're done, be sure to click the Update File button. Just keep in mind that if you add the code to your main theme, then it will be overwritten every time that you update or change your theme, and you'll have to do this over again. And if you forget, well, Google just won't track your data. So if you're going to use this method, it's best if you use a child theme. If you're super confident about your coding skills in PHP, then you can go to your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over Appearance, and then click on the Theme Editor. Next, you'll need to find your theme's Functions.php file and add the following code. Just remember to include your own Google Analytics code here. Now, it's easy to see why we say that MonsterInsights is super simple to set up. You don't have to deal with PHP code, and you can see your reports right on your dashboard. You will need to reinsert code every time you change themes, and with a Pro license, you can get advanced tracking features as well. Now you know how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress site. So why not join over 1 million others using OptinMonster and instantly grow your email list, get more leads, and increase your sales? Here's a code that you can use to get a special discount, and we'll leave it a link in the description for you as well. In the meantime, you can check out these other videos and explore our YouTube channel for other tips, tricks, and tutorials for using OptinMonster.